Yo, it's your boy Consistent FX. So yeah, welcome to my channel. So in my channel here, we're going to be talking about. First of all, we're going to be talking about. First of all, before we start, I'm going to break it down for you. The pair we are going to be solely focusing on is going to be volatility 300 index, which you can only find it in derivative trader broker. So that's there you can only find it. So we are going to be talking about other things, uh, uh, um, support and resistance, all those things. So as I grow, I hope everybody grows together. So thank you. So watch out for my next video. Watch out for my next video on as we go deep into the trading stuff. So I hope everyone have a successful journey and a profitable journey. So thank you. It's your boy Consistent FX signing out. Thank you very much.